The government wants more time to build their case. Specifically, they're asking the court to push back trials so they can get the FBI to analyze DNA samples from the crime scene. As reported, 8 men were charged in connection to the murder of detainee Manson Isar, while a 9th defendant was charged with digitally penetrating the victim. Jimmy Hadley has since pleaded out and agreed to testify against his co-defendants. Albert Santos II's case was also recently thrown out after prosecutors admitted it was unlikely a murder charge against him would hold up at trial. The remaining 7, Marvin Rechem, Isler Miller, Benster Benjamin, Elas Cimarron, Vincent Minicio, Jeremiah Ishizaki, and Andrew Rios Santos Jr. are scheduled to go to trial next Monday. According to the government's motion, however, they need the DNA testings to meet their burden of proof and show jurors they properly investigated the case. The court only late last month allowed for prosecution to collect defendant samples to be sent to the FBI. The items to be tested include the victim's clothing and bed linens. According to witnesses, the men charged in this case were seen either on top of the victim or in close proximity. Giving time to conduct FBI testings could, according to prosecution, benefit some defendants. How much time are they asking? The government says they'll keep the court informed and do frequent checks with GPD and the FBI to ensure the process gets moving. This is just one of the many motions under advisement. Both Ishizaki and Rechem have filed motions to dismiss their cases on grounds their speedy trial rights were violated. Ishizaki additionally has filed a motion to have his case severed on grounds he'd be prejudiced facing the same jury as the group because he is charged differently from his co-defendants. The government has also motioned to block defense from delving into the facts of the victim's case. Isar, if you recall, was arrested and charged with raping a girl with autism. Earlier court filings revealed the men charged for his murder had done so as a revenge attack. Parties will return to court on Tuesday afternoon. One by one, each defendant and their attorney will be allowed up to 10 minutes to view the judiciary of Guam's holding cell, where the alleged attack started hours before Isar was found dead in the Hagåtña lockup.